Hey everyone, it's Ray with Treasure Booth. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a custom screen feature. This video was requested, so I'm going to go ahead and make it, and hopefully it helps out the rest of you guys. So when you open up Darkroom, you're going to be on the main settings page like this. You're going to go ahead and move your arrows over to the right until you see screens. If you want to work on another screen, you would hit choose, but this is actually the screen that I'm going to work on, so I'm just going to hit edit. For the feature that we are going to incorporate is a wait for the flash little message that will appear on the screen. And in order to do that, first I'm going to add a shape. And this right here is just all personal preference. It's up to you guys if you guys want to change it, but I'm going to put a white rectangle, and then the text is going to say, wait for flash. And I'm actually going to change the font style to make it a little bit more bold. Okay, and then I'm going to go back over here. So that was in the text tab. I'm going to go back to general. We have a white rectangle. The opacity is at 100 because we are going to want to see the shape. And then for booth command, when shown, we're actually going to edit this. So right now it says always, and I'm going to hit edit, this drop down menu, and I'm going to hit custom. So I'm going to uncheck all of these buttons, and we're going to just leave before photo 1, before photo 2, before photo 3, before photo 4, and then just uncheck the rest. And then I'm going to hit OK, and OK one more time. So this is my custom feature. I'm just going to stretch it out a little bit and bring it down. So wherever you move it on the screen, that is where this message is going to be shown. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And I'm going to press start booth just so you guys can kind of see what this feature looks like. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK. No printers detected. OK. I'm going to press start. So right here it says wait for flash. I am working off my laptop, so I do not have my Canon connected. But as you can see, you're able to see the message during the countdown, but it actually disappears after the next photo. So the people know wait for the flash, then they're able to see their preview, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me or comment down below. If you guys would like me to make a custom video for you, just go ahead and let me know. And that's it.